Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the SPY ETF. We previously shared an initial report on our website on Friday, February 9, 2024, and now we're back to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all our latest analysis. It's essential to stay informed about any significant developments that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On November 2, 2023, our system ranked SPY as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, SPY has outperformed our expectations, with a gain of 16.36% since we recommended buying it 68 days ago. That's an average return of 0.24% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Considering the latest developments, we're unable to determine the stock's next direction. It could go either way. The ETF has recently broken out of a narrow and strong upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rising. In case of a pullback, there is now support at the previous trend level of $499.99, which could present a second opportunity for potential gains. Based on fan theory, the next possible resistance level is projected at $512.55, potentially posing a challenge to overcome. Looking at the 3-month trend, it suggests a potential change of 10.87% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 7.83% and 10.61%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of 18.68% over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 2.54% and 18.39%. This implies a price range of $513.89 to $593.33 after 12 months. Our latest update on the SPY ETF brings an important headline: evaluation of SPY ETF downgraded after the last trading session. Let's dive into the details. On the last trading day, which was Friday, February 9, 2024, the SPY ETF price increased by 0.570%. It went from $498.32 to $501.16. This marks its 4th consecutive day of gains. Now, the question arises, will it continue this upward trend or take a short break in the coming days? On the last trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.634%, reaching a low of $498.49 and a high of $501.65. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in an overall increase of 2.81% over the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, volume also increased on the last day, along with the price. This is considered a positive technical sign. In total, 17 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 63 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $31.69 billion. Let's take a look at the ETF's performance over the past year. The highest price recorded in the last 52 weeks was $501.65, while the lowest price was $380.65. Currently, the price is 0.1% or $0.490 below the 52-week high of $501.65. It's important to note that this price also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Let's talk about the signals for SPY, the popular ETF. The moving averages are indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Both the short and long-term moving averages suggest a buy signal, and the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. This relationship further supports the positive outlook. In case of corrections, there is expected support from the lines at $495.33 and $481.18. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. On Thursday, January 4, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 7.24%. This suggests a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The rising volume along with the price serves as a good technical signal. In the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet in a special way. It is often followed by long and strong gains for the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is giving a buy signal. Pivots also indicate a buy signal, 26 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal, 1 day ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. The short moving average gave a sell signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 63 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 52 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SPY. When analyzing the accumulated volume above, we find no significant resistance. This suggests that the stock has the potential to move upward swiftly, given the right conditions. In such a scenario, it might be worthwhile to enter a position and use volume as a determining factor for when to exit. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $482.91. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $477.02, which represents a decrease of 4.82%. With its low daily movements, this ETF offers a lower risk investment opportunity. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 25 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? While SPY ETF holds several positive signals, we still don't believe it's enough to consider it a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate or accumulate in this position while awaiting further development. However, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture since the last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, February 12, we anticipate SPY to open down $0.727 and start trading at $500.43. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. As we take a look at the stock, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you agree or disagree? Feel free to comment below and share your insights. Also, we're curious to know what your target for the ETF is. Let us know in the comments. And if you find this content helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We genuinely appreciate your support. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.